Hello everyone, my name is Karthik R. Basically from Bangalore. Completed my graduation from T-John Institute of Technology in the field of computer science and engineering. So later I was placed in IT company where I worked for 2 years 10 months. So due to some personal reason I had to resign the job immediately. So after that there was a gap of 6 months. So after that when I tried to join the company, I was not able to get the interviews. I was not able to crack the interviews. So from one of my colleague, I got to know about Evision. So Evision in Evision Technoserve, I joined for the 100% job placement course, where they helped me with my communication, resume building, interview cracking tips, everything. So later, I joined that course and I was able to crack the interview. So now I'm placed in a company called ToneTag with a 3 LPA package. So thank you for Evision to helping me crack this interview very easily. So I would like to thank Anamika ma'am. So from beginning she helped me with all the procedure everything. Then I would like to thank Priya ma'am, who is the HR of the Evision. So she helped me with the resume building, interview cracking tips, everything from the beginning till I got placed in a company. So I would like to thank each and every member of the Evision team for helping me with this job opportunity from communication, resume building, everything from the beginning till the end. They were with me, supporting, helping me, giving me tips, and resolving my queries. So thank you so much. So now I'm working in a product-based company actually. So it is a tone tag company with a 3 LPA package. So I would like to recommend Evision Technoserve for my friends, colleagues, cousins, everyone who are in require of a job. So I would also recommend for the people, for my friends who are from non-IT background. So if they want to move from non-IT to IT background, so I would definitely recommend Evision for them so that they can join Evision and all the division team will help them with cracking the interview from non-IT to IT as well. So my heartful thank you for each and every one of the Evision team. Thank you so much.